Okay. So we are Group 11, myself, Harsh Musne, and Abhishek Gupta. Today we are presenting our design pattern assignment number 3, that is decorator design pattern. So this task is to design a student decorator class. So let's download our submission, unzip it, and compile the code. This is my account. Paste it. Then we'll extract it. Let's open this code in VS Code Studio. Okay, so this code consists of multiple files. So it consists of an abstract student, which is like a component. Then comes the we can say concrete student file is like a concrete components. Then course decorator file. It's the main abstract decorator, and the we can say the subject file. So it's like a concrete decorators, different types of files. So I will start with the concrete uh, subject.java file. So first is concrete student, which provides the base behavior of the student information. Then comes it has multiple informations, such as it stores the university details. Then we can say uh, courses. Then about the time con. So here we have to do added one method, that is time conflict, which was not there. And next, I have created three files. So as per the instructions, one was provided. Other three I have created similar to it. Uh, so these files are similar to the CS 542 file, which was already provided, and it has a real time, and it do not conflict with the times with other times. So we have set it different times to all the subjects. We can see. Also, I have designed the test driver file. So uh, it has a person detail, as I have mentioned here, the Abhishek Gupta, and then the constructed a concrete student details about the name and date of birth. Then comes the um, university and major. Then the decorator. It has with the four subjects, as we are going to display what all courses he has. And the details of the courses will be printed accordingly. And as per the instructions, I have created two conflict tests. That one will be the true case and another will be the false case. So the true case will be when there will be a meeting time or a time conflict, and the false state will be when the student is free for the meeting. So the next is course decorator, which will be explained by Abhishek.
Yeah, hi. Hi, my name is Abhishek Gupta. I will walk you through the decorator side. That is the part that turns a plain student into one with a real schedule and the collision check. So the our design uses the decorator pattern, that is course decorator, that traps an existing abstract student and contributes exactly one course, that is like a rubric number, title, credit, section, start or end times. Because like each decorator holds a reference to the previous student object, that is delegate. We can stack like multiple courses without changing the concrete student and the identity. That is nothing. The person in the code is preserved because is the decorator class, that is like super s dot inner self. So all the like wrappers share the same underlying person. So functionally, like two methods aggregate these two student across the chain, that is the get courses returns the delegate dot get courses plus this like this dot two strings, as you can see in the code. And a new line to fully schedule the print as neat, like multi-line to list fetches the list into delegate append and returns into the new list allocation just for the delegation. So the core of the conflict the like detection lives into two method. That is, the first one is the between start and end, uh, and that defines a buffer window around each class, like start with a -10 to the end to the +10 minutes, and returns to true when it gives the fall inside the window. So and time conflict, that local time implements the assignment ruler, that 1 hour meeting starting at time conflict each either time or you can say the time plus one like one, as you can like see in the code. And we like we also added like three realistic cores decoder, that is like CS like CS 501 uh, and CS 550, CS 560 to join the provided CS 542, which was already given. So these are the intentionally not overlapping with each one. So our demo can show the both the outcomes, like as Harsh explained previously. So like a true when there is a conflict, and when it is an overlap, and false like when there is not an overlap between two. So if the instruction asks for like plus minus 15 minutes instead of 10, we will simply change the minute in between start and end in the method, and move to the non-conflict demo to 4:14:45, and the rest of the flow code remains identical over here. I guess Harsh, you can just like run the code and show the output, like how it is going on.
Okay. So I'll first compile the code. uh, Compile the code. Now let's run the driver test. So yeah, so we are printing the student name, which university he is, then schedule of his courses, 4 courses. So first starts with 9, then it goes till so 11, 134. And if the meeting is at 14, which is at we can say at 2 p.m. So we can say, is it a conflict? So yeah, we getting a output as a true. Then the other test cases, if he has a meeting at 14:40, which is 2:40, so is it a conflict, which is nothing but a false. So as per the instructions, we are printing the output as a true or false. So this is our
Yeah,
driver.
and also we are printing the student name and the university as well, just to make sure like we get an output in this, like the student name and the university as well.
So those were our two test case. And That's all.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Thank you, Abhishek.
yeah. Thank you.